Welcome to Run Run Deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. Hey, welcome back. And I have a deal for you. Guess what I found on Run Run Deals? Here is a 3D printed moonlight. You're asking yourself, what is she talking about? This is basically a nightlight. It prints a 3D moon and it can change colors, different colors with a remote. Pretty cool. Let's go inside. All right, you all. Opening it up. I'm gonna show you the pieces. This is for people that like to read at night, late at night, don't want to disturb. Also for the kids that are scared of the dark. So as you see, it has this round ball which will depict the moon. It also comes with the remote and a charger, and also the stand. All right, you all. So this is very simple to put together. As you see, it has a rubber bands on here to keep it safe, which is awesome. About 6 stacked pieces. Pretty cool. All right, you all, so it's easy to piece together. All you need is to put the little parts right there inside the hole. Easy to build the stand for it. All right, looks just like this. You can put the stand down and then we can put the sphere right on the stand. Charge it up. Once it's charged, you can use the handy remote. This will turn it on and off. And then you can also change the colors on here. Pretty cool. All right, you all. If you're interested in this, make sure you're going Run Run Deals. Find the code, get that code, put it in, and get this deal. Why wouldn't you do it?